Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee Manipur STDCM na Manipur lengakta Maitai bu Scheduled Tribe ki lista yahon biyo haina talib demand se World Maitai Convention WMC na mapung fana support tawi haina fongdorokli World Maitai Convention WMC na lebaga se tongan tongan mafum da khundari bu Maitai sing khaki natana Myanmar masung Bangladesh ta khundari bu Maitai sing ge sunga se fawa mateng pangdu na lakli awang numpuk lamdam se population wise yengbada Maitai haiba kanggu ba se Naga amadi Sin Kuki kanggu tagi yamdana khundari Maitai luching ba singna lana lamjing kibana status gi cha Tarakak Oiriba Tampaki Lamdam Kaka the Maitai Sing Takibane World Maitai Convention WMC the Makataradura Assam the Kundariba Maitai community da Kumzal Sing and Taradagi Talak Liba Maitai Busal tribe ki list a yon you have a demand adoso Nasipawa Saugatun and Lakli Hana Tamlakli.
WMC earnestly appealed to the governments of Manipur and Assam to do justice by sending recommendation to the government of India as soon as possible. Last but not the least, WMC requests all the leaders of political parties and all community leaders of the Northeast to help and support the Meitei people in their attempt to include them in the list of scheduled tribes because they are indigenous people like any other indigenous people in the Northeast who are already in the ST list in the interest of all the indigenous communities of the region.
Political activist Sapam Kanglai Pal Maitai Karama political party